Okay, so we're testing CMP, specifically on switch in. The first test will be manual switch in after a KO. So Togekiss needs 4 charms here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not going to have enough for Flamethrower. I forgot that we were going to do that. Okay. Togekiss got CMP. Alright. Same test again. We've had a previous one in which this also happened, but due to communication issues and also my recording not starting, which this one is on, I don't have data recorded from that test. Okay. Still didn't get CMP. I'll do a few more times to confirm that it's not just being really lucky, or to, since it can't be confirmed, to demonstrate that it would have to be inordinately unlucky. I definitely am not getting CMP. This next time I'm actually going to attempt bulldoze instead of ice punch, because I don't care about KOing anyway. And that way I can be tapping on the same portion of the screen. Don't try this line at home, battlers. Just thinking about Togekiss sweep. Did not CMP tie. So, because there was a stall in between, it's clear that that wasn't actually CMP. Either Togekiss was not prepared to use its charge move, or that there's something about tapping in the same location that can preempt it. So we're going to try that again. So I'm going to try that again, but with Ice Punch. Because I have an idea. So this time, I'm actually going to switch to Heracross. I don't remember if that reorders the list or not. We'll see. Okay. Definitely could not get it with Ice Punch. And now I'm going to consistently get it with Bulldoze. To confirm that you can preempt CMP in this case. By basically queuing up a click. So what I'm going to test now is actually getting to Bulldoze, not having any energy with Shiftry to make sure that that is not contributing. The interesting part is it's going to look almost entirely random on the other person's side. Because it looks like it's flipping back and forth. But I am almost positive that there is way more at play here. Okay, now I'll be switching in A/. And again, getting Bulldoze first. So, this contributes... Oh, no charge move was used. That's interesting. Okay, this will be the last one before we change up the test. So, what I believe is happening is that basically the charge move from Alolan Sandslash, when I'm tapping on the same space that's switching in, is actually being queued up before, and thus ignoring the CMP that has been happening. Because this would explain some of the discrepancies. I will have to get more into like checking versions and seeing what the newest update was. But I think it's pretty clear at this point that with Bulldoze and Bulldoze only, because it's on the left side, I'm preempting CMP. Which actually means that strategically it's important which side the charge move is on right now, especially in the lead. Okay. Yep. Every single time I use Bulldoze. Once more with Ice Punch for good measure. And then, yeah, upload the video so I can record another one and show that, and then test what happens when both of these two faint. Yep. One thing to note is it might be that I'm actually using up my one chance at pressing. Oh, interesting. The ice punch didn't even go off. So another thing I could potentially test is single click rather than tapping repeatedly. Alright, that concludes the first round of testing.